Altium 365 means you'll never again send the wrong data to your PCB fab and assembly providers. With one click on the correct revision, you can invite your manufacturing partners to get access to just the right CAM data. No more and no less. This manufacturing data package is kept as a snapshot in time with its own revision and comment, so you can keep track of what you shared and with whom. The manufacturing partner receives an email invitation to access the package through Altium 365's secure portal. In this case, Ellie signs into the portal and can preview the fabrication and assembly datasets. The entire assembly can be reviewed in 3D to know exactly how it all goes together, as well as Gerber, ODB++, or IPC CAM files. In this case, Ellie is also leaving a comment around these connectors to ask about the consignment of these parts having been shipped.